what plants are growing in the greenhouse. Oh, it's a kushal. It's a kushal tree. Came for a beautiful 10-kilometer trek today, all of us. Just very tired. I've been walking for almost 2 hours.
Yeah, it's on the couch.
Adit wore shoes and all and came for the trek.
Hey, come on the couch.
Now we're actually going for a long walk. Just kidding, before this. We walked exactly 30 seconds. You know when it's ready to be plucked?
What about mangoes?
May, yeah, end of May.
Bro, see this so much. See this? This is ready?
We plucked and ate, better ate it. No, but that's raw. This is for ripe. You have to
Yeah, if Thai you can use tomorrow, no?
Found the footprint of some kind of animal, or maybe Anish. No, not sure. Everyone left me. I said the slowest one will get eaten by the bear, but I think the bear is waiting over there. So when I go slowly, they only won't be there. Just made it to the top of the hill to around 15 kilometers. Some wiring problem is there, I think, here. Can hear the electricity. If you give your Bagheera water, you will give everyone.
Giving everybody.
Okay, give.
My hand.
Give.
What?
All the dogs.
Go back home and take one. Maybe empty. No need, no?
The boys are getting ready. While the boys are playing, Pooja is making a Burmese dish called Khow Suey. What do we have here? Fried onions. Namu pretending to cook for us.
Just trying to help.
One day also you didn't cook for us, dude.
Fine.
Khow Suey, if you guys don't know, is a Burmese dish and it's made with noodles, and then you add this gravy on it, and then there's like 10 different, actually maybe even more different condiments that you, I know condiments now. Condiments that you can add to it, like the fresh chili, fried potato, fried onions, fresh onions, so many different things. You guys will see. What happened, bro?
I need the code for payment. Guys, what do you do? Here now.
Come on.
We're downloading a game called FIFA 21.
FIFA 21.
Since we don't have the disc.
Yeah, we downloaded it. Buy it off, bro. Just buy it off.
Yeah.
The gravy for the Khow Suey is ready.
No, it's not.
Okay,
Cooking.
it's cooking. Nice.
Darling.
Beautiful yellow.
Market.
Looks good. This one's still pretending. Oh, look at the chilies, dude. Okay guys, so this is what Khow Suey is made up of. So you first add the noodles and then you go to the gravy, or you can go to the condiments and then the gravy, but that's a chicken gravy. And then you have all these condiments, which this is fried garlic, fried potato, chili and vinegar, that's lime, fried onions, coriander, boiled egg, fresh onions, and there are lots more things that you can actually add to this, but yeah, this is how we eat it at home. So that's what Pooja's made for us today for lunch. So I'll make a bowl and I'll show you what it looks like. coming again. Just had a massive storm few days ago as well. Look at how dark the clouds are. It's gonna pour. Guys, found a scorpion.
ரொம்ப வலியா